in this learning process, whenever we are learning this push pass, that time already you know, you are keeping every by part in your mind, then in what way you have to approach towards the ball, and in what way you have to execute, and in what way you have to follow through. So that all counts a lot. And whenever we are learning, so we have to be very much target oriented. Right now in this pass, push pass is very much important for the accuracy. So here already in between the gate, just ahead of the both the gate, I have kept one more cone, so that I will see whether Akshat able to hit that cone with the accuracy. His main aim is to hit that green cone in between the blue cone. Let's see how he is doing. So while you are executing, you should have to make slight tight of your ankle, so that you will give a good pace on the ball. So the force is important, the weight on the ball is much more important while you are passing the ball. Let's see, go ahead. No problem, no problem. Already it is just side by, because this target only can be achieved through a very good practice, because the repeated number of repetition in your practice, that is most important. So here right now, take the another ball, and again you go for a second time. Let's see whether he is able to. After the follow through, you just take the leg directly to that green cone, so that you will get a good accuracy. Just side by, no problem, because it's very important in football to improve your skill through a number of repetition while you are doing the practice. That is very much important. You cannot achieve overnight your target. You have to go for a regular practice, and you have to develop this skill, and that will help you during your match time. You should have to practice with both the legs. While you are practicing, initially you start with whichever leg is your stronger. If you are good in right leg, no problem, because you have to be master in both the legs. And if you are master in both the legs, I feel every coach in the world, they appreciate the player who having the skills in both the legs. Teaching this push pass, we know the potential of the learning players who wanted to excel in this skill. So we require more drills, so that their passes should be maybe become more perfect, and they can kick this pass very accurately. So the accuracy, for the accuracy, I am keeping this small cone. You can see the drill, how the Akshat will pass to me, and he can develop the passes with both the legs. Right now we will go with all in between the cones. He will kick with his right leg. Yes, pass it, slight hit, और जोर से, slight hit. Very fine, come on, that's good, that's good, that's good. Now he is doing very well. He's giving the pass properly. Very fine, very fine, very fine. Now left leg, very good, because you have to be master in both the legs, and this is the easiest way. You have to make the teaching very simple, so that the child can learn properly, and at the time of match he can do miracles. During the match he can give the passes properly and accurately to his teammates. That's a good way, that's a good way, that's a good way. So this is the best methodology to start the initial learning of push pass. And push pass is very much important, because the pass itself having very much importance for his accuracy. When your teammates, when your players are standing nearby, or when you are in trouble during the match time, so come out from that trouble, you require a very good pass and support. Both the things is very much important. And how you will pass, so you have to pass in such a way so that your player can receive the ball very easily, very comfortably. That is most important the part. Thank you.